Okay, here we are starting a new project. We're just actually lifting up the old sidewalk blocks. They're all kind of sunken and broken. The orange lines are where the new walkway is going to go. We're going to put a bit of a curve on the landing at the top, center it on the front door, and break out this concrete in here, which is all sloping back in towards the house. And same thing with the stairs, rip out those, and we're going to be putting an exposed aggregate here, so that's going to all tie together. Do a new walkway across the front here. We got all the everything excavated out yesterday. We put in some gravel because it's been pretty wet here, as you can tell. It snowed, Calgary in May. And then up here we've got curved walkway that curves into a big landing area, which goes two directions, one up to the front door, and then the other direction is across the front of the house, down the side. There's going to be a couple of stairs, one step off the corner of this brick planter, one step just before the window there. And then that walkway will lead down. There's a little landing just past the gate. Here we are, day 3 of our project here. We're just getting ready to put in our bar. Ryan is putting in hi Ryan. He's putting in our risers, so every one of those boards is going to be a step. You see, we got plenty of concrete flowing in underneath. So there's 1, 2, 3 steps, and he's just putting in the last 3. There'll be 6 altogether. All of our base is in and tamped. I'll take you right across the front. Gone with a thickened edge, what I call a thickened edge, to allow the concrete to flow and be thick on the edge so we don't lose our gravel base. Okay, so here we are, day 4 on this project. Just about ready to pour here. I'll show you what's going on. Cleaning up a few things, getting them ready. Here are our stairs. Our rebar is all chaired up and ready to go in there. You can see we use like bricks to chair it up. Plenty of thickness of concrete underneath all the risers. Going to be a good solid set of stairs. Drilled a whole bunch of rebar in. Here's the view from the top of the stairs. You can see all the risers are nice and level left to right, and everything is draining towards the street. And then our walkway. 3-foot wide walkway that actually widens out to almost 5 feet. Actually 4 feet, sorry. Down the side of the house. One step at the corner here, and there's another step just before the window to bring us reasonably close to grade. We always want to be a little bit higher so that when the water sheds off, it can fall off the edge. I think the layout actually worked out quite well here. The client wanted us to meet the existing height of the paving stone patio in the back, so that's kind of what we've done. Everything slopes away from the house and towards that. So ready for concrete. Here's our concrete truck. Let's see if we can do it. Oh yeah, that's how it's done. You see that? You see that, Warren? That's how you do it. There's Ryan screeding out the concrete, nice and smooth, nice and flat.
What's on the concrete there, Mario?
So, we're washing off all the cream off the top, all the paste, and we're exposing all the aggregate on the underside. Okay, here we are on day, what are we at here, day 5? Day 5. Concrete is poured, it's stripped, we washed the faces, we backfilled. The job is pretty much completely done with the exception of sealer. We got here today and sealed it up. It's all sealed up. Stairs are done. We've done a little bit of backfilling, but they're bringing in a landscaper So they're going to top all that up and do all the rehab work themselves. That new step on the inside there with positive drainage this time. There's a view from the top. Nice curve. I think that's a pretty nice curve there. Ties right into the stairs. Going down and then down the side. And there's a view looking back. Just cleans everything up.